now! Take us now! Ow! Why is my stomach going nuts?
Oh, what?
I'm slugging it today.
Yeah, my stomach is jonesing for it bad.
You feeling okay, bro? Bagel.
This feels weird.
Spaghetti.
So you dudes hungry? I'm a little peckish.
No, it's not fear. I know what that feels like. So maybe it's love? Oh, what is it?
Bad. That's funny that you don't know that word, but you know the word opposite.
What was that?
I must be hungry.
Hungry?
We at the secret clubhouse party in no time.
Mom, will they have food there?
Every party has food. All the good parties, anyway.